morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. I just got done showering. It's about 9:40. We're sounding very congested today. I think my cold is starting to come out and it's really gross. But I started to dry my hair and I remembered I'm vlogging. So let me show you guys real quick what I just have in my hair. It's the one I showed you guys the other day that I got from Ulta, the new Eva NYC, the 10-in-1 spray thingy. So I just sprayed that all over my hair, and now I'm just gonna blow dry it. I usually blow dry it with like one of these brushes, the round brushes, and that just helps it, not be as frizzy and all that. It is super rainy today. It's gonna be raining all day, but we are gonna be indoor, so I'm hoping my hair will be okay. And if it's not, we can always just touch it up later. It's not that big of a deal, but I didn't want to leave it curly because then it takes forever to dry. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Dry the hair. Maybe if I have time, apply a little bit of makeup. I ended up putting some of this on. This is the Glossier After Balm, and it's supposed to be a moisture barrier recovery cream because I feel like my skin has been really dry, especially with like my cold, blowing my nose and all that. So I applied like it all over my skin, which is why it's looking so dewy. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Alright, and this is usually what I end up with when I do that style of blow dry. So it's pretty straight, but it's still very frizzy. So usually if I feel like it, or if I'm gonna go somewhere, I'll go over it with like a curling iron or something. I did buy those little 3-barrel ones on Beauty Bay, so it's supposed to be coming. So you guys will be seeing that later on in the vlog, hopefully. And I have those steam rollers, which I'm very intrigued by. Typically too, after I style my hair with like curling or whatever, I'll go in with the texturizing spray. This is a really good one from Living Proof. Kristen S has a good one too. This one was on sale at Sephora, which is why I bought it. It was like 50% off. But I did have the mini, so I was excited to pick up a full size. So yeah, so now I'm gonna do a quick face and makeup and we should be ready to go. Alright, so this is gonna be the makeup. Super simple. I ended up just doing the LYS concealer all over my face. I powdered with the Laura Mercier powder. I know this is not cruelty free, but I already have it, so I'm gonna use it and finish it up. And then on my brows, I put the MAC, what is this called? Eyebrows Big Boost Fiber Gel, also not cruelty free, but we have it. Mascara, I ended up using the Milani anti-gravity, the highly rated anti-gravity mascara. This is a new tube and I'm super excited to have it. And then I used the new ColourPop Not a Box of Chocolates eyeshadow. I just used 2 shades, so I ended up using this one, Praline, all over the lid, and then a little bit of this one right here, the Champagne Truffle. And then I used this one for like a little bit of a faux liner. How pretty is this? So pretty, and I'm super excited to have it. It's a little bit more like on the deeper side, so if you like deep tones, I feel like this is like a perfect winter kind of palette. So very excited to have that. So yeah, this is gonna be the makeup of the day. I'm just gonna get dressed. Maybe if I have time, play with that steam roller, and we're ready to go. All right, so this is the OOTD. We have my new Old Navy jeans. I actually really like them. I think they fit pretty nice. They just have to kind of like stretch out. And then I have my quarter zip little knit sweater from Old Navy. Also showed a different color on the Salt Lake City vlog that I did, but it's like a really pretty ivory kind of color. And then this vest, I got it at Marshall's. I like it because it has like a singed back, so it kind of goes in a little bit without it looking like super boxy, because it is raining but it's not super cold outside. And then I'm gonna wear my boots.
Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, so we are not home. It is pouring rain outside, so that was no fun. Made myself a tea, and now we're just gonna hang out. It's about 5 o'clock. It's 4:30, and we're probably still gonna have dinner. I don't know what dinner is going to be, so we shall see. But the little celebration we did ended up being really fun. So we had like a brunch kind of thing, so it was really nice. And then we got home, and I got package for shoes that Francisco got me. So I had the Huaraches from a long time ago. It was like the white, all white Huaraches, but I washed them, and for some reason I think I talked about in my other vlog, my foot grew. But these shoes, I don't know, I think they shrunk. I don't know what happened to them, but I ended up going up a size, like up a size. So I went with a 9.5, which I never do, but I tried them on and they actually feel really comfortable. And it's these ones right here. How cute are these? So these are supposed to be 20% made from 20% recycled material, and I really liked this part right here. It has like this really pretty like pattern all here, and it's kind of like a cream color. And this one, it's kind of like a, I don't think this is like true white, right? I would say this is off-white, this leather part.
Yeah, I would say so. It's more
Like
kind
a
of like a
beigey white.
Yeah, either like a cream or a very light gray.
But this is cream. I don't think that
so
crashes.
Like a light gray.
Like a neutral color. I don't know, whatever. But I thought it was really pretty neutral color. It has like this gray detail back here. The bottom has like the recycled material, and then the sole is that like speckled kind of color. And I just thought these were beautiful when I saw them on the site, and I was talking about them, and then Francisco ended up getting them for me. So I was fixing the laces because they come like these here, and they have like extra holes on the side. So what I did is I kind of zigzagged them to go on the inner hole, the outer hole, inner hole, outer hole. So that's what I'm gonna do with these. Also, if you guys hear our neighbor, it's a lovely child that will never stop crying. I feel like if it's not one neighbor, it's another one. But there's always like wild children screaming their heads off here. And it's not even because they're kids. I love kids, but these kids are just book wild. Or the parents are just terrible. I don't know. I say it's the parents. Alright, so there's the laces. How cool do these look? I really like them, so I'm gonna probably spray them so they don't get dirty. and I'm very excited to have these shoes. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna edit the Vlogmas from yesterday, hopefully post it in a few minutes, and then I'm gonna go try my curler, my steam roller things. Hopefully I have time to do that. Alright, so we're gonna try the rollers. This might be an epic disaster, but we already bought them, and here we are. So I'm gonna fill this with water, I assume. And put the top on it. And then we'll plug it in. I guess that's on. I guess it starts to get warm. So I think you're supposed to do like bigger ones in the back and then smaller ones in the front. So I'm gonna put one of these in here, like so. And I don't know, probably should have read directions, but I kind of don't really want to. Okay. So it's getting steamy. Okay, I see steam coming out, so I'm gonna take it out. So here we have the roller. I think I should have not put it in with this. Here's a roller. Oh boy. Oh my gosh, this is actually kind of hard. It's doing something. There's a roller. There it is, clipped in. I don't know how to put this in. Out. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna put a pause on that and watch the videos because it's not working. I mean, no, see, I think it's just That's just my natural curl. Do you see it down there? I don't know about this. I am not convinced. Not convinced. Well, that was failure. Alright, so it's time for dinner, and for today's menu we're having smash burger because we were craving burgers, and I got the Avocado Club single with chipotle mayo. We have some smash burger fries, we have some tater tots, which are Francisco's favorite. We have some onion stacks or haystacks or something like that, and then my sister got herself some sweet potatoes, and I feel like I'm getting sicker by the moment. Really? Which is probably not true. I don't know. I just don't see myself getting better. I ordered this medicine, which is supposed to arrive today, which is supposed to be like a better version of like all the bad medicines. So
Where is it at anyways?
I don't know. It's on the way. I got an email that I was delayed, so hopefully it still gets delivered today. Hello everyone. It is the next day. I forgot to close out the vlog yesterday because I started getting like a horrible cough attack. I think my body's trying to get rid of all the gunkiness, and it's giving me a horrible cough. So I ordered on Amazon some medicine, and it just arrived this morning. It's this one here, the Genexa cold crush non-drowsy organic cold and cough medicine. They're chewables, and I just had two, and they're actually not too bad, so we'll see how this works out. Hopefully this kicks my cold's butt and we can get back to feeling normal. But I wanted to close out this vlog, and we're gonna start a new one in a few minutes, which you guys will see tomorrow. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and we'll see you guys on tomorrow's vlog.